Hello and welcome to today's culinary lesson on one of the simplest and quickest dishes to prepare. I am talking about an easy chicken and mushroom casserole that anyone can make regardless of their culinary experience and without the need of an oven. It's packed with flavor, topped with a thick sour cream sauce, and it's perfect for busy days when you crave something comforting, flavorful, and homemade. Now let's dive in. You're gonna need chicken breast. I have here 500 grams of chicken breast. That would be somewhere around 17 ounces. 500 grams or another 17 ounces of canned mushrooms. 400 milliliters or 15 ounces of sour cream. 3 garlic cloves. 80 grams or 3 ounces of butter. Lemon juice from a lemon. Salt and pepper to taste. And some fresh dill. Now, first things first. Cut the chicken breast into bite-sized cubes and season it with salt and pepper. In a pot, melt the butter and add the chicken cubes. If you don't have butter around, you can replace it with vegetable oil. Sunflower, canola, olive oil, every option is great. The fresh dill is also optional. You can replace it with a dry version. Also add crushed garlic and lemon juice and let the whole thing cook together for 20 minutes on low-medium power to make sure the chicken doesn't dry up. After 20 minutes, add the rinsed and drained canned mushrooms over the chicken breast and season with a little bit of salt and pepper and let it cook yet for another 20 minutes on low-medium heat. The ratios are very customizable. You can play them however you like. If you like mushrooms very much, you can add a bigger quantity. The same thing applies to garlic and sour cream. The only thing I would have to add is try to use a sour cream that's a little bit fatter, something that's over 30%. Why? Because it will mix better with the overall composition of the casserole. It won't segregate and it will give you the creamiest chicken and mushroom casserole ever. So, after a total of 40 minutes of cooking, turn off the stove and add the sour cream and the freshly cut dill. Cover the pot with a lid and let the chicken and mushroom casserole rest for 10 minutes before serving. This way, all the flavors will combine into a delicious and creamy chicken and mushroom casserole that will 100% satisfy you. What I love most about this easy chicken and mushroom casserole is that even though it's made in just 50 minutes, it's very delicious and anyone can prepare it. For once, it's homemade in the comfort of your home. It's free from preservatives and has no ultra-processed ingredients whatsoever, only fresh and healthy elements. This stovetop chicken casserole pairs wonderfully with polenta, french fries or mashed potatoes, all of which are also super easy to prepare. For example, you can easily make the polenta while the chicken cooks. Hope this tutorial helps anyone in need, and if you have any questions or thoughts you want to share, I'll see you in the comment section below. Thanks for watching!